Viewers, all of you must be aware that recently the IBM has appointed one American-based Indian as a CEO of IBM. And before this, all of us are aware that Sundar Pichai and the CEO of Microsoft are also Indians. You must be wondering what is the reason why all Silicon Valley conglomerates are making the Indian people CEOs of such big companies. Today I want to share with you 5 reasons, 5 things which are in the Indian CEOs, which are in the Indian people, which are helping them to become the CEO, to have the top position in the Silicon Valley. And this video I'm sure will be helpful for all those people, including India, Bangladesh and different countries who are looking to have the position of CEO or have a higher position in the bigger companies. The first thing in all these top people I have studied is that all these people are educated people. They got the degrees, they got the required skills. Let's talk about Sundar Pichai. He did the bachelor's degree from IIT, but then when he went to USA, he still continued his study. He did the MBA. So they believe in the merit system. If we see the top people in the ladder to become the CEO, in most of the cases you will find the Indian people who are highly educated, who are highly qualified. So the first thing is being highly qualified. Second reason why these people are becoming CEOs and these people will become CEOs is that these people believe on the merit. I studied Sundar Pichai a lot, so he mainly focus and believe on the merit. All these people who are becoming CEOs believe on the merit because they came on the basis of merit. So when they are appointed as a CEO by the board members, they believe that this person will keep the merit. So this is the second reason of these people becoming the CEOs. The third reason of these people becoming the CEO is that most of these people have come from an area where there are few resources. When we talk about the subcontinent, there are very few resources and there are too many people to get those resources. So these people learn to strive for the best. These people all the time work hard. Even when they have the best opportunities, they still put their best, they still think their best. So this is one thing which is best in these people, that they are all the time working hard to get the positions. Compared to the people in USA, Europe, they have too much resources, they are already affluent, but those people who have seen the poverty, who have seen the less, they are all the time looking for the better opportunities. And the fourth thing which is linked with that thing is that these people as came from India or the immigrants, so they work with a different culture, so work with the different people. They know the importance of diversity. As the workforce is becoming diverse, so the people who accept the diversity, people who understand the diverse people who can get work from the diverse people, their importance will keep increasing. So one thing is the diversity. And the fifth thing is which is probably the best thing in the Indian people, and that is their ability to predict, that is their ability to forecast. Let's say about Sundar Pichai, let's say about other CEOs, they were the best people in the companies to identify the future trends. So this is one reason that they are selected as the top CEOs. So if you like these 5 reasons, share it with others. All those people who want to work for in the industry and are aspirant to become CEO in the future, they can learn from these wonderful, great people, great leaders in the corporate ladder. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's have a community of intellectuals. I will share my lessons from the daily things, from the things which are happening in the corporate world, from the things which are happening in the self-development section. I will also share with you summaries of best-selling books. Thank you so much for being here.